Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the DELL S2722DGM, the best settings. So first thing, brightness 75 to 85, contrast 75 to 85, sharpness 50, response time super fast, overdrive on. Now response time, try it also a fast if you can. Preset mode, so you can go red 100, green 97, blue 94. And then you want to input color format RGB, gamma 2.2, hue 50, saturation 50, dynamic contrast off, uniformity compensation off, adaptive sync on. And then gaming, if you want to give it for gaming mode, you want to go game mode on, response time also extreme, and refresh rate you can set it to maximum and supported by monitor. So these are the things that you can try. Maybe it's going to help you. I hope it does. So I just want to make this quick video for you. So have a great day. And if it didn't, let me down below in comments if these settings actually helped you or no. So have a great day and goodbye.